While consuming any Oracle Fusion REST API, suppose if you have come across this links query parameter and you are wondering what's the use of this links parameter and why we have to use, that we are going to learn in this class. So for demonstration purpose, I am considering this get all suppliers REST API. So in our earlier classes, we had seen what's the use of expand, fields, limit, offset, only data, and the total result. In this class, we are going to learn the advantage of links. Suppose if I blindly click on this suppliers REST API, I will see n number of records getting fetched from this response. Now here the response will give the count, has mode, limit, offset, and the link. Suppose if I make use of this only data query parameter and set to true, I will be getting only the data information and I won't see any links. Now suppose if you want to see a particular link, then we have to make use of this links query parameters. I will tell you what does it mean. Click on set. Now here if you see, we are having few links which it is saying self and where it is saying canonical, and in few it is saying relation is LOV. Suppose I will tell I want to see only those links whose relationship LOV, then I will see in the links only those links whose relationship is LOV. I won't see any self or canonical. So this, like this, we can restrict the links which are getting displayed in the response. Suppose if I tell apart from LOV, I want to see the self, then it will show the self link as well as the, here if you see I'm having the self link, apart from that I'm having the LOV. So like this, we can restrict the links which are getting displayed in the response by using the links query parameter.